Good morning, children. Today we will start our ninth lesson, Beacon of Simplicity. So, children, we have lots of national leaders, great leaders, because they devoted their whole life to our country for the freedom of our country. They fought against Britishers, British government, and at last we got freedom. So one of them, Lal Bahadur Shastri, such a simple personality and great personality. So in this lesson we will learn about Lal Bahadur Shastri. So beacon of simplicity. Beacon means single light or lamp. He was a single light, means he was inspiration for Indians. Means how much simple life he was living, but in mind or by heart, by mind, he was great person. He devoted his whole life for our country. So let's we start. A man was sitting in deep thought when his wife approached him with a torn kurta. He was a very simple person and his economical condition is very bad. But he was not thinking about that. He was thinking about our nation, our Indian people. And one day his wife brought that torn kurta, fata hua kurta, and she showed that torn kurta to Lal Bahadur Shastri. So she said, out of 4 kurtas that you have, this one is totally torn. He had only 4 kurta. He was wearing kurta, dhoti and kurta and one simple cap, topi. So from that 4 kurtas, one kurta was totally torn and his wife informed about that. The condition of the other 3 kurtas is also very bad. Means he hadn't enough money to buy one new kurta or new clothes for kurtas. So she said that 3 kurtas also so bad. So I think you have to get yourself some new kurtas. Means bring some new kurta for you. Because condition of your kurtas are so much bad. The man shook his head and said, now is not the right time to buy a new kurtas. Like Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi also sacrificed his life, even his clothes. He was wearing only dhoti and pancha. Means जिसे दुपट्टा कहते हैं हम लोग, गमछा कहते हैं. So like that, Lal Bahadur Shastri also thinking only about our people, Indian people and their poverty. हमारे भारतीयों की जो गरीबी उन्होंने देखी थी, वे सिर्फ उसी के विषय में सोच रहे थे. So he said, this is not the right time for buying a new kurtas. People are struggling have on a meal a day, 1 meal a day. हमारे जो भारतीय हैं वो एक वक्त के खाने के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, तरस रहे हैं. So I can't buy new kurta. Please see if my kurtas can be mended. अगर वो सिल पाओ तो सिल लो. And he wore the mended kurta. Mended means makeup, सिया हुआ. He donated the money thus saved to the relief fund. And whatever he had, that some money he had, and he gave that money to that relief fund for the poor Indians. This incident happened in 1962. China declared war against India, and that time China declared war. Before that they came here for friendship. and we Indians were so much happy at that time. But after going from India, after some days or some months, they declare war, India and China. So at that time there was serious food storage in the country and there was so much problem in about that food. So, and the man was Lal Bahadur Shastri, who went on to become India's second Prime Minister. First Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister. He was always thinking about the welfare of Indians. Born on 2nd October, Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri both are born in 2nd October. 2nd October 1901. Lal Bahadur Shastri was one of the most simple, noble and able minister of India. He was living very simple life although he was prime minister, but in life he was so much simple, so much humble and polite person, and he was living his whole life like that. He was sworn in as the second Prime Minister of India on 9th June 1964. He held office for 582 days till he passed away on 11th January 1966. He was the Prime Minister of 1964 and he passed away. उनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी 11th January 1966. Means 582 days only he was with us during Prime Minister. During his short tenure, he came across many problems but faced each of them with flexibility as well as firmness. He was a very simple person, children, but he was very firm in his decision. बहुत ही अपने इरादों के पक्के थे वो. And during his short tenure means period, short period, but he did many things for the welfare of Indians. One of the first challenge, we were suffering so much problems at that time. One of the first challenge he faced was the tension of Indo-Pak border, which led to the war against Pakistan. So, first problem was Indo-Pak border. There is border Indo-Pak, and at that time there was so much tension in that border. So, he handled that problem very nicely. Thank you.